Ntekyo umukwani yakwanire nekene pi ekiagera asobora igoro buya abantu bakogoka egento gekwanire pake pipe lakini bono gwacha kwanyoranga abarayi aba barabakurumi nande barababe bakoye guchikura bara
yes
esababu yoko tutukania abantu ne chinchira chiogoserwa ogoserwa okona kwo saitani abegetoka boko gekabanga naende nabono iga ebitamba bikagorire amarangeti yakagorire bono kobori omonto ng'oborangeti obo gokwaboegwa mboisaine school fees mboisaine koira omwana owe egasi arikwe mboisaine koira omwana owe esukuru asome so such a silly things bibwenete gotiga siasa ebe endongo omonto agokochora on policies and yani intellectually ng'a noisaine orarae country.
In 1 minute Mheshimiwa Bitachim.
Yes.
I'm noting your statement.
Yes.
Ogoserwa.
Yes.
Waraimba went kwa muntu kidi gyonsi karaba kubuli chikura.
In fact, it is illegal in some developed countries. Only erema omuntu akoye kwana in public. Yani akubwate mic public kali gote bangaki nkoba serande gai kamuna muriga. Abantu rande bakachinkobi.
Kwa very experience.
Yes, several. Yes.
Comparison ya Kenya na outside the country.
Kenya yego kore bintu biri byantu bagakorira manani me batabwate chianga ine chanko because inkyogo sero monto ole tageta abe sopa kwa enga ngoko monta marua otinda omanya gotekia decision. So that is wrong. You need to tiko monto abe ine sopa condition ya mawake kura yaye ere borunge ego chikomoletera obuoyo ego chikomoletera liko mwana wa yesukuru ego chikomoletera epasari yani ebintu bune pasari you don't need to negotiate it nga development some leaders bachire bakonga na bantu in public nga nchengo kamanka mepaka manyinga mayego sukakurwa and still abantu bakachinkubi ngombe kiyeyo kama okamepaka manyinga abantu bakoiberwa you don't have to protect ye kebabwato already igotegete kama obaretera aswaliti kieroronga nocho baikeri amabera yo kama buruka ina manyinga
Mheshimiwa